powerful combination of raw materials. Natural rubber, synthetic rubber, carbon black, and steel are carefully selected to create a product designed for strength, flexibility, and durability. These materials are transported into massive industrial mixers where the transformation begins. Inside these machines, heat and pressure blend the components into a thick, uniform rubber compound. This process ensures that every tire will have the perfect balance of grip, strength, and resistance. Once mixed, the rubber is rolled into long, flat sheets. These sheets move smoothly along conveyor belts, forming the base material for the tire. The rubber is then cooled to stabilize its structure, preparing it for precise cutting and shaping. Machines cut the rubber into exact sizes, ensuring consistency in every piece used during assembly. At the same time, strong steel wires are prepared. These wires are shaped into circular forms known as beads, which will hold the tire firmly onto the wheel. Next, fabric layers coated with rubber are created. These layers act as reinforcement, giving the tire flexibility while maintaining strength under pressure. Now begins the tire building process. All components are assembled on a rotating drum, layer by layer. First, the inner liner is applied, followed by the reinforcement layers and steel beads. Each layer plays a critical role in the tire's overall performance. Sidewalls are added to give the tire its shape and protect it from external damage. Then comes the tread, the part of the tire that makes contact with the road. This thick rubber layer is carefully wrapped around the structure, defining the tire's grip and traction. At this stage, the product is known as a green tire. It has its shape, but it is not yet fully hardened or ready for use. The green tire is then placed into a mold for one of the most important steps, vulcanization. Inside the mold, intense heat and pressure transform the tire. The rubber becomes strong, elastic, and durable. During this process, the tread pattern is also formed, giving the tire its unique design and functionality. After curing, the mold opens to reveal a fully formed tire. The once soft material has now become a tough and reliable product. The tires are then cooled to bring them to a stable condition. Next comes quality control. Advanced machines scan each tire for defects, checking for even the smallest imperfections. In addition to automated systems, skilled workers inspect the tires manually, ensuring that every product meets strict safety standards. The tires are also tested for balance and performance. They are spun at high speeds and placed under pressure to confirm durability and stability. Once approved, branding and specifications are added to the sidewalls. These markings provide important information about size, type, and performance. The tires are then cleaned and polished, giving them a finished, professional appearance. Afterward, they are stacked, packaged, and prepared for shipment. In large warehouses, thousands of tires are stored, ready to be distributed around the world. Finally, the tires are loaded onto trucks and delivered to markets and customers. From factory floor to open road, each tire plays a crucial role in transportation. In the end, what began as raw materials becomes a high-performance product designed to carry vehicles safely across countless miles. This is the remarkable journey of how tires are made, a perfect blend of engineering, precision, and innovation.